Good evening, Rutgers University. Thank you for being with us very late here tonight. We welcome you to extended coverage here where we're going to give you the latest information that we have on this very large storm system moving into the northeast through New Brunswick and into the New York metropolitan areas as well as up to New England tonight. First and foremost, here is the latest information we have about the operating status of Rutgers University. As many of you may know right now, we are currently on a shutdown. That means that Rutgers is closed for the time being and all classes will be canceled for Tuesday. The operating status of the school will be updated throughout tomorrow a couple times, so make sure you check it out down there at campusstatus.rutgers.edu for more information. Watches and warnings right now here in the red, up here in Passaic County and Bergen County, all the way down now to Ocean County on the shore. We have a blizzard warning in effect. That means that we have sustained wind gusts in excess of 40 or so miles per hour. It's going to cause blowing snow, drifting snow, all kinds of bad stuff, lower visibility. Need to be off the roads tonight anywhere in the state, because if you're not under blizzard warning, you are under a winter storm warning here in the pink, anywhere from Sussex County down to Cape May County. You folks also are going to be experiencing a lot of snowfall accumulation, somewhere around a foot or so tonight in your area. And in the purple, we can expect about 1 to 2 inches of snowfall in through southeastern Pennsylvania and Dover, Delaware tonight. Now, for your weather headlines, you can see here that the snow has arrived. It's been here since about earlier this morning, and it is here to stay through tomorrow. So for those of you who like snow and who like the time off, enjoy it. However, whiteout conditions will be likely throughout tonight, and that's going to cause a lot of travel concerns throughout the next few hours. So if you're on the road, you really shouldn't be because we're under a state of emergency. You need to be very careful. Almanac for today got up to a high of about 31 and a low tonight of 21. Sunrise and sunset times down on the bottom of the screen. Low temperatures across the region tonight will probably get down to a low of about 23 degrees here in the New Brunswick area. 17 up in Sussex, 25 in Camden, and 23 in Millville. Across the region, we'll have lows of 11 degrees in both Ithaca and Oneonta, and down to 25 in Philly, Dover, and Baltimore, Maryland for tonight. StormWatcher satellite radar, you can see this very heavy band of dark purple is actually a very heavy band of snowfall here. I'm going to put it on the sweeping radar for a minute to explain something to all of you. You can see here that we have this yellow color here on this radar map, and the way we figure out that it's snowfall through a radar is that pretty much we have a feature called vertically integrated liquid. What it does is it looks at the volume of the particles that are coming out of the sky. Each snowflake crystal has a higher volume than a raindrop, so it's bigger in size. And when we have that type of mixture, we can tell based on the volume of the particle whether or not it's snow or rain. And you can see that is some very intense precipitation right there. Across the region right now, you can see that we have plenty of snowfall here coming from the low pressure center, a couple hundred miles off the coast of Virginia and North Carolina. It is under cyclogenesis. It is actually strengthening right now. That's what's going to bring us the potential for that snowfall through tonight and the blizzard conditions in through tomorrow. Futurecast showing 6 a.m. Very heavy snow here in the purple coming into New Brunswick. All spinning itself around, continuing through 12 noon. Not a break up at all until about 3:30, 4 o'clock in the afternoon when it becomes nice and clear. And there you go. All out of the region by about midnight tomorrow. Some snowfall totals here across the region here. Belmead up to about 2.7 inches. Lakehurst at 4. East Rutherford showing about 3. Newark at 2.7. And Edison showing 2.2 inches of snowfall so far today as of about 10:15 p.m. or so. Snowfall totals across the region will probably have accumulations anywhere from 6 to 12 to maybe about 18 inches of snow here down in Middlesex County. The closer you are to the shore, the more potential for snow you have from the system, so be aware of that. And you could see locally higher or lower amounts in your region throughout tomorrow. Overall for tonight, blizzard conditions, whiteout conditions to continue. Make sure you don't travel. Be very careful. Low of about 23, winds northeast 17 to 24 miles per hour. And for tomorrow morning, you're waking up at about 27. Very windy and snowy again. Winds northeast at 18. Looking at your extended forecast here, you can see that it'll clear up for Wednesday and Thursday. Slight chance of a snow shower on Friday morning. Keep in mind that the low temperatures here for the weekend are going to be very cold because, with all that snow on the ground, you have a chance of some ideal radiational cooling in the maximum, clear conditions at night. It'll be very, very cold indeed for Friday night and into Saturday. Partly cloudy conditions on Saturday, and we could have a chance of some snow for Sunday and into Monday. Stay tuned to WeatherWatcher for more information, and check us out here all the time on channel 23.1 every 15 minutes. Like us on our Facebook page, follow us on Twitter, and see us on our website, weatherwatcher.rutgers.edu. I'm WeatherWatcher Dante Ricky. Stay safe tonight and enjoy the snow.